Okay, they're trying to prove the two triangles congruent, and they've given us that I'm going to mark some things that they've given us. They've given us that RS is congruent to UT. That was given, and you can see down here, what they're asking us for what the missing step, what they are, what the justifications are. And they give us that RT is congruent to US. Excellent. So oops, I should mark that actually with 2. So what else do we need to know? Well, we know that ST is congruent to TS, reflexively congruent to itself. That is the third step there, and what's the justification for it? It's the reflexive property of congruence. So we know that it's not A and it's not D. We're dealing with either B or C. Now, what do we have? What we have is side-side-side congruence, and so side-side-side congruence eliminates B, and it is answer C, side-side-side congruence. Through the reflexive property, we identified that third missing side.